Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some easy breezy cheesy bacon ranch chicken pasta. So let's get started. I already washed my chicken and I'm cutting it up into some bite-sized pieces. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and season with some homemade ranch seasoning. Once it's done, we're going to go ahead and work on our bacon. So we're going to cook our bacon until it's nice and crispy. Then we're going to go ahead and work on our chicken. We're going to cook the chicken until it's nice and brown. You want to get rid of that pink stuff, of course. Now I'm going to work on my pasta, and you can go ahead and cook your pasta according to the directions on the package. Now look at that brown goodness. So once that's nice and brown, go ahead and add your Alfredo sauce and then go ahead and stir that in. Now go ahead and add your cooked pasta. Now keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Also, please go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything into my baking dish. And at this time, I preheat my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that bacon on top. Then we're going to sprinkle our cheese, and we're going to bake this for 15 minutes. Once it's done, it should look like this.